Hey everyone, it's Dodie here, and I'm just going to film a really quick little video about my super special, super exciting happy mail that I received from my lovely friend Sam Poole. She sent this to me as a thank you for a present I sent to her, which, you know, came out of the blue. I was at work. I use my work address lots of times for mail, and it came to me at work, and my coworker brought it to me and said, "Oh, look, you have something from England." And they all stood around while I opened it and were all amazed at what it is. And so I've reassembled it so we can open it together. First of all, the lovely, lovely, lovely card that was attached. She's used her embossing seal that she found. It's on her Instagram page, the lovely, lovely embossing seal, and it is a good one. It is very clear. It is not worn down. It is lovely, and it says textiles, which is just amazing. And she's used her honeybee kit for the cover. And this card, you guys, this card looks professional, like professional in the sense that Papyrus could have sold this card. I mean, it is so, Sam, you should contact Papyrus and say, let me design cards for you. It's so beautiful. It has a personal note inside, but I just love it so, so much. So I'm going to put the card there, and then we're going to open up the little tiny package, which is brilliantly wrapped in a paper lunch bag, which I just love this idea of wrapping a paper lunch bag up like a present. So here we go. You're gonna just die when you see this. It's so pretty. So here is this lovely little folio tied with the most gorgeous blue to fawn colored sari silk with the sweetest little doily, and it's just filled with all of the goodness of Sam Poole. I mean, that she could possibly muster. She threw it all into this lovely, lovely gift to me, which is just, oh my gosh, I cried. Of course, my friends were like, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Look at the back of that. You would not know that that's printed. I love it. I love foxing on backs. I try to do that, but this is a good one because it's not so yellow. I love that one. But she's used her honeybee collection, which is in the works with my next journal too. And it's just, and this is like a little collage piece put on here, and this number is fabulous. Look at that. I love numbers too. Sam loves numbers, and I love numbers too. And you open it up and look at this. It's so darling. Oh my gosh. I mean, this tag, and I have to tell you, I bought something from Sam like last year, and it was a little teeny folio full of tags, and I love the way Sam makes her tags. I've saved them. Look at the back with the honeybees. I've saved some of them. Well, I have the original set, but I've used some of them as patterns because I love her tags so much. And look at that, sweet. And it's all printed, both sides, and the back looks old. I love that. I love that better than floral printing or pattern printing. I loved old foxed paper printing the best. And look at, here is a lovely ledger where I love to snip out words and glue things, and I will be snipping out words and gluing things. I love this so much. And then this little tuck spot has a wonderful little snippy snappy notepad. I love these things. I love making these things. I love buying these things. I love these little notepads, and I love how she took the staple and did it sideways. Isn't that good? It's a regular staple, and it looks so good because it's sideways. I'm going to do that. Once again, All the backs are just, I think most of these are old papers, but they're just, or this is a tea stain paper. They're just, it's just. And look at the little lace tied with the eyelet. I love eyelets too. I adore eyelets. You open it up and there's this wonderful pocket with this lady. Oh, I love this lady. Oh my gosh. She's in the honeybee kit and I cannot wait to reveal what I'm working on for my next project. And here is a wonderful little tuck spot that's torn around the edges. It's just so perfect with another darling tag and that. You're gonna get sick of me. Look at this wonderful foxing, and it's not old. It's just beautifully printed. Oh, I've got it. That is beautiful foxing. And look at this lovely little. Oh, I love that. I love how that was folded. I opened it at work, but I didn't go through it. I didn't let people pull things out because I wanted to do it like this. And once again, oh, that's gorgeous. Just looks so old. And I love new old. I love new old because I feel like I can mess with it. I don't have to be so careful with it. And then here's this lady. She's also from the honeybee. She's so cute. This is just, look at this. This is a collage page. Look how beautiful that is with the embossing, which by the way, guys, I bought myself an embosser. And then we did that tag. Okay, then it opens up. More of those honeybees. They're so sweet. Oh, I love them. And this darling little postcard. Oh, that's beautiful. I love that one. Oh, and I think this is real. This is real. Okay, here we have real stuff. Oh my gosh. I mean, not that this isn't real, but you know what I mean. Real, old stuff. Old, if ever, not new old. Oh, that's lovely. Gotta love the old letters, right? And here's some more beautiful paper. I think that's old paper and perfect for my little bits and pieces of words. There we go. Isn't that great? Oh, okay. And then we fold it over. I did that one already. Okay, so let me fold it back up the right way. I don't want to wreck it. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh my gosh, you guys. Isn't this lovely? Don't you just, oh, there's more. Look, I knew there was more somewhere. Oh, I love that, finding surprise more. And here's another one of those ladies. And look at the back. That color is so amazing. Oh my gosh. Well, Sam, I just love being on your design team. Sam is so kind to let us have access to all of her. Look at that, it opens up like this. Look at this. It's like a little mini flip-flop. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I love it so much. I think I'm doing it wrong. Am I doing it wrong? No. That is so beautiful. Thank you, Sam. Well, I'm gonna share this with all of you so that you can see the beautiful work that Sam does. And I mean, I think Sam is so busy designing stamps for all of us to use and designing digitals for everybody to have that she doesn't get to maybe create as much as she like, but her creations are worth it. Whenever she does create, it's amazing. So thank you, Sam. I love you. You're just the sweetest girl. And I call you a girl because I'm 66 and you're in your 30s. So I can do that because I'm like a mom type person. But well, you guys, thank you so much. I enjoyed sharing this with all of you and love all of you. Take care. Bye.